Hey, filming on my Sony Handycam for the first time, and Eastern Water Dragon. It's up there, my water dragon. Mine. I got the water skink down there. Up here, bruh. S to the A. Just gotta put this on. There. The water skink's down there. Danny. I'll get him out. Here you go. Whoa. Why? Here. Oh! He's bottoming! He's bottoming! Oh! He's bottoming! Does it hurt? Oh my god, look at that, look at that. Look at that. He's bottoming! Get up, get up, get up, get up. They latch onto you. Oh. He's not coming up. He's not coming up. Okay. He's biting harder. He's a bit harder. He just bit. He's biting again. Does it really hurt? Yes. Man, that hurt. Show where the bit is. Oh. Gee. Thanks for watching and subscribe.